severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties, in Montana, Blaine, Choteau, and Fergus. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fergus County in central Montana, southern Blaine County in north central Montana, east central Choteau County in north central Montana, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 miles north of Winifred to 24 miles southeast of Lewistown, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Winifred, Crest Range, Hayes, Roy, Fergus, Forest Grove, Frederick Robinson Bridge, Lodgepole, Suffolk, Giltage, Judith Landing, Hilger, Heath, and Christina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.